Hello and welcome to part number 8 of Java tutorial. Today we will study that how we can work with if statement and what is if statement. If statement is actually a conditional statement in order to uh, create or make a decisions in a programming language. In C++ also we have if statement, in Java, in C Sharp, PHP, and these different programming language using conditional statements, or decision making statement. If is what decision making statement, that how we can make a decision upon requirement. Suppose I have a variable, mm, its value is 6, variable name is, suppose age. Okay, age is 18. Now if age is equal to 19, okay, then system dot out dot print ln, okay, you are eligible to vote. Okay, now this is actually a comparison statement. It compares two value. What's the value of age? It's 18. It means 18 will be compared to 19. Is 18 equal to 19? No. If it's not, then do what? Else system dot out dot print ln, print line, and you can display you are not eligible. Okay, it compares the value of age to 19. If it is equal to 19, then you are eligible. If not, then you are not eligible. Let me save and run. You are not eligible. Okay, if this is 19, you are eligible to vote. If age is not equal to 19, if the value of age, which is 20, suppose, okay, if value of age is not equal to 19, then do what? It's clear that 20 is not equal to 19. Okay, now run. You are eligible to vote. Okay, 20 is not equal to 19, then display this message. If it is 18, okay, and again you are eligible to vote. Okay, suppose we can remove this section, and we can say if age sorry, if age is less than 19, okay, then display this message. Okay, if it's not, do nothing. You are eligible to vote, mean the value of age is less than 19. You can change the message. You are not eligible because 18 is not eligible. Okay, now if we say if age is greater than 19, okay, so 18 is not greater. If it's 30, then it will be, the value of age will be greater than 90. If it's 10, so this value of age is not greater than 19. So the condition is false. True and false. Here the condition is false. Run it. Okay. Nothing will happen because this value is less than 19. It's not greater than 19. Okay. If it is less than or equal 19. Okay. Run it. Okay. You are not eligible. You can change message every time. Okay. Suppose you are eligible. If the value of age is less than 19 or equal to 19, okay, this is what condition is true because 10 is less than 19. 10 is the value of age. Okay, so this is how we can make decision. The if statement is used to make decision making statement. If an interview you are going to be asked by interviewer that what is decision making statement in programming, you can say if statement, switch statement. These are what decision making statement, checking the condition and showing the result. That's it for today. See you in next lecture.